Hi guys, this is Mario from Nokia Mom. So I have here Nokia 210, which got quite nice 2.4 display, a nice VGA camera, and it's running the S30 Plus. So let's check it out quickly and let's move on for the rest. So I think you'll find this familiar from the Nokia 3310. It's quite nice. It got a nice menu. Let's see what else is here. I like the shape because it reminds me on Nokia 3210 that I fancied way back, like, oh my god, it was a long time ago. Oh, we got the LED flash. Nothing up there, but check this out. This bad boy has 3.5mm jack and classic USB port. It's quite nice in the hand. A little bit plasticine, but okay, looks good. What else is here? Oh, game loft helped again. Nice. There is one in red. Well, thanks for watching.